today I'm going to talk to you about the elf ears, these pointed prosthetic ear tips. And by tips, I mean the tips of the ear so that you don't put them all on your ear. You put them on top of your ear to create the effect of being an elf. So I got these on Amazon. They came in a pack of 2 pairs. So there were 2 of these, and this is the thing it came in, the little bag here as well. So they're made of costume grade latex material here, and that's pretty common. What I like about latex, it is great because you add to it with makeup and it looks more realistic and professional than say like plastic or just thick rubber. There's so many different types of costume accessories, but I like latex. I also like how it's molded so it looks like an ear, so when you put it on you can kind of see the ridges, which is really nice instead of just being flat. And this is what the professionals use. So I am a huge Lord of the Rings fan, and I definitely dabble in some Elvish. So I always wanted to wear elf ears, and I decided why not get them. I do go to a lot of conventions and I use them for cosplay at conventions, and I plan to use them for Halloween this year, which is really nice. You could also use them for other fantasy costumes besides, you know, elves, like fairies, pixies, sprites. They all have their pointy ears, right? I got them about 3 months ago, and so far, like, they've lasted really well. Granted, I only wear them on special occasions like conventions or costume parties, but as you can see, they're still, you know, they're still them. They still work very well. I don't wear them every day as much as I'd like to. They're very small in size, and so you can easily keep them on your person, maybe put them in your pocket when you're going out to an event, like a costume event or a themed party. You can just literally take them and just fit them right over your ears. And I personally have very thick hair, so I don't have to worry too much about hiding this part. I just literally put my hair over it and have them stick out. They fit okay, but if you want me to wear them for a long period of time, I would suggest using spirit glue. Spirit glue is used for like a lot of prosthetic makeup products. It helps glue them on and keep them on they last longer throughout the day. So I definitely haven't been able to keep them on my ears for a really long period of time without using spirit glue. That's really easy to get and apply as well. But these are definitely worth the trouble. You know, everyone has different ear shapes and sizes, but that should fix the problem. You can still wear these even if they don't fully stay on. But I have a friend or two who, you know, they do stay on their ears, so that's really nice as well. They're very soft material, this latex, you know, so it's really nice to feel. It's not uncomfortable when you stick them on your ears, and when people like to touch them to see if they're real or not, then it's really nice because they actually feel like soft skin in a way. They're shaped more like ears, you know, for real, with ridges. So it's more realistic. The beige color, however, has been problematic for a lot of people. But that's an easy fix. I just use my foundation that I use every day on my face. You can use any foundation and cover up, you know, the plastic here, the latex. I'm a very pale person, and so having it really doesn't blend in with my skin. A lot of the time people notice that if it's not really cover it up. So when you're wearing a costume and you really want to sell it, you probably want your skin tone to match, but that's an easy fix. Right now they're just the simple beige color that they come in. They are about 6.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 1 centimeter. So, you know, they're not that big and bulky. They do fit right above your ear on most adults and most children. So they're also very durable, long-lasting material, which is great. And they weigh about 25 grams. So I got this through a retailer, D on Amazon, and they sell a variety of products. This is definitely a good gift if you have someone who really likes Lord of the Rings, or you know, who likes fantasy elements in general and has a costume. You can give them these ears and I'm sure they would rejoice. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.